Hey everyone! Today we're making a light, healthy, and delicious lentil soup perfect for your diet goals. If you love easy and healthy recipes, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tasty ideas. Onion, potato, carrot, garlic, tomato paste, lentil. This delicious and healthy soup has a little secret that makes it taste even better. I'll share the secret with you in the video, so stay with me until the end. This healthy lentil soup is packed with amazing benefits. Lentils are rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and iron, helping to boost energy, support digestion, and build strong muscles. It's low in calories but high in nutrients, making it a perfect choice for healthy eating and weight control. Plus, ingredients like garlic, onion, and turmeric add anti-inflammatory powers and strengthen your immune system. And the olive oil brings in heart-healthy fats. So with every spoonful, you're nourishing both your body and your soul. We sauté all the ingredients with olive oil, and here's the big secret to the amazing flavor. It's all about the spices: black pepper, turmeric, and a touch of salt. But especially the black pepper, that's the real magic behind this delicious soup. After adding all the ingredients, we cover the pot and let the soup simmer gently over low heat, giving it enough time to cook thoroughly and develop a rich, deep flavor. Our healthy and delicious lentil soup is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next tasty recipe.